Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video here for the property in front of me. It is in Wincanton Road in South Reading. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn slowly around just to give you an idea of the area and move out of the way of the truck so I don't get run over. So opposite the home is this lovely open green area for your everyone there. So here we are. So this is the property here, and you can see at the front there, sort of driveway parking. You could easily fit 3 cars on, potentially more if you took away the bush there and extend the drop curb. To the side of the property, so you have the side gate just in front of you, but what we'll do is we'll go in through the front door. Nice big front door as well, so very opening, very welcoming, and let's head on in. So the property is no chain, so there's no onward chain complications. You will have to excuse me as there is no furniture in here, so it will be a little bit echoey, so I do apologise straight away. With this being a live video, feel free to ask any questions. I will do my best to answer them for you. And you can also request private viewings in the property as well, should you wish to. So I've come into the front, and just to the side is the first reception room. There's a log burner in here as well. Nice big window. It is double glazed window as well, so well thought of there, with a gas central heating as well. So the door here leads you through to the kitchen, but I'm just going to show you one part here. So basically what they can do is they open the kitchen door and it squeezes into the hallway there. So it almost separates the two parts of the house, so downstairs and upstairs. So through to the kitchen, it's a decent sized small table and chair here for you. So everything that's in the property would remain. So there's a washing machine here. There's your boiler. It isn't a combi boiler, it is by Glowworm, so it's a nice good brand. And I'll just give you the first glimpse to the rear garden as well. There we are. So to the right hand side from the kitchen, we then have this room here, which could be a small dining room, or I believe that the person that was living here was using this as a bedroom. Just walking to the side to give you an idea of the size. You will notice throughout that there aren't any carpets in here. They were all removed. All the walls have been painted white, so it's nice and neutral for the next owner to come in and put their stamp on it. So back into the kitchen, lots of cupboard space up and around as well. And then there's a little recess there for your fridge freezer. Heading through to this, heading through from the side, we then have this hallway with these lovely wooden floors. There is a downstairs bathroom just here, all working. There's a bath. There's a unit here for a Triton electric shower. You just need to put a new shower head in, and then there is a skylight up the top, so the light isn't on, but it is nice and bright in here as well. If I turn left through this door here, so this is the back gate that we saw from the outside. Currently the neighbour is doing some renovation work, and the bits up here are due to be replaced soon as well, once he's finished all of that. So carrying on down here, I can see a few people now requesting private viewings, which is fantastic. So in here we have a study, I suppose, something like that. Small little room, little recess here on there. There isn't double glazing in this part, but then we have this little side bit, which is all wood panelled. Again, makes a nice little study area. I always get the feeling of like a sauna when walking into there, being that it's oak lined, but yeah, on a day like today, it's nice and warm. Unfortunately, the Great British weather doesn't always grant us that. So what I'm going to do, carry on out here. So through the door again, and now we're into the back garden. I'm just going to stand in the corner here for a second just to give you an idea. So it's a pretty good size. There's a large outbuilding at the bottom as well, nice large shed. And carrying on round, there's the back of the property there, just showing you up the top. And this little walkway here will take you up to the back of the garden as well. It's lovely and quiet around here as well, which is one of the reasons that I love this area. In South Reading, you're not far from the motorway, you're not far from shops, schools and things like that, but you'd never know. It is lovely and quiet. So what we'll do, we'll slowly head back on here. It is nice to spend time out in the garden, especially on a day like today, but it's not what you guys came along for. So what we'll do, let's head back in. And as I said, feel free to ask me any questions. I will do my best to answer them while we're here. But short of that, please request your private viewing, as I can see a few people have already, and we'll be happy to accommodate. So, coming through, so what I'm going to do is take you on upstairs. As it's all wood floor, just taking my shoes off, so it's a bit quieter. So coming on up, as I said, there's no flooring down, so it is all the exposed wood floor throughout. But we have the 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. So the bathroom has had the bath taken out and a shower put in its place, which is just here. And you can see that there was an aid in there as well. Relatively new looking sink and a small storage cupboard. Double glazed window again. There isn't extractor fan in here, so possibly need to have a look at that as well. Heading back out. So this here, we're heading now into, I suppose, bedroom number 2 for the square footage. Pretty good size as well. Just slowly scanning around to give you an idea of it all. Again, nice big double glazed window. There's a little recess here. So I suppose originally there would have been a vanity table, something like that, across with the mirror. But you could soon add a wardrobe in or something like that. So this is the box room. So top of the stairs just here, which is a little unfortunate. But if I stand in the corner, gives an idea. It is a definite single bedroom. You would potentially fit a single bed in here, but or a nursery, cot, home office nowadays, those sorts of things on that one. And then we're into the main bedroom. And again, really good size double, lovely big window overlooking the green. And if I walk over to the side, we have a built-in wardrobe and then a recess there as well for more storage space. What I'll do, let's just open this up on the top, give you guys an idea. So just up there, so lots of storage space as well. And then we'll open this up here, and then in here, it used to be the hot water tank, but now a very functional wardrobe. So there we go. So as I said, it is gas central heating. There is no chain with this property here. It is very straightforward. One thing to mention, it is a non-standard construction, so it is a concrete build as opposed to bricks and mortar. So all that means is I would double check with any mortgage lender beforehand on that one there, but I believe with the age of the property, it should be fine, but it's always worth double checking. There is a loft access, which is just there as well. Potentially there might be an option to do some sort of loft conversion. They have certainly had those done around the area. So it might be worth double checking with local with the local authority. Just showing you the back garden again from upstairs on there. In regards to the area, nice and quiet, lots of families around here as well. So that is the property. I'd like to thank you all for joining me as I take you around. And as I've said, if there is any other questions, feel free to get in touch with the office and we'll be happy to help out. And I look forward to seeing you on your private viewings. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off. So thank you very much and we'll see you at the next one. Bye-bye.